everybody, welcome back to our channel. मैं हूँ नेहा. कैसे हो आप सब? So today we are here with Pushpa the Rule trailer. भाई यार, Pushpa the Rule trailer we are here with it today, and in this we have our Pushpa Raj, yani Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandana, and Fahad Fazil, and many more in this. And this time the mass song is from Sri Leela, as in the last first part it was by Samantha, and I'm like very excited by this. I know yesterday it became very late that I have been not reacted to and not posted for everything because of busy schedules and everything. Itna busy ki I couldn't do, because I know this one is my important thing to do, क्योंकि Pushpa 2 I have been waiting since the part 1 when I came out of the theater on that day, and उससे भी ज़्यादा कुछ important था. Because of that I couldn't make the video and everything. So today we are here with the Pushpa 2 the Rule trailer, and the hype is very real. And I saw the poster of it already has been crossed the 40 million, all the trailers counting, within less than 24 hours, and that is like really insane numbers. My god, I'm like now right on top of the hill to watch this one. Very excited. I can feel that all adrenaline rush into my bloodstream and everything. So let us see how Pushpa 2 the Rule trailer is going to be. चलिए देखते हैं.
Gjorde det var det läckre varför inte mig lättare min löpte färdigt om det ढाई अक्षर नाम छोटा है लेकिन साउंड बहुत बड़ा
పుష్ప అంటే పేరు కాదు, పుష్ప అంటే బ్రాండ్.
Very hey, I love that all gold glimpses and marre. Wow, what we can see.
శ్రీవల్లి నా పెళ్ళం మాట మూడింటే ఎట్లా ఉంటుందా? ప్రపంచకాల సూపర్ స్టార్.
ప్రేమ Fafa, he's here.
పార్టీ ఉంది పుష్ప, పార్టీ ఉంది.
The party. Okay, I'm waiting for the songs.
నాకు రావాల్సిన పైసా నాయనా తనైనా కొండల మీద ఉన్నా 7 సముద్రాలు దాటున్నా పోయి తెచ్చుకునేదే పుష్ప అన్నమాట. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ అనుకుంటారా?
ఇంటర్నేషనలా?
ఇంటర్నేషనల్. ఫైర్ కదా, వైల్డ్ ఫైర్.
అబ్బా, the upgrade, wild fire. I am crazy, literally going crazy abba with this thing. Can someone please bring me back again to this world? Oh my god, what is this? This is, oh my god, I kept eyeshadow, I didn't even realize. जाने दो यार, किसको क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है. This one in front of me, that is what I was been waiting since years. After I came out of the theater watching Pushpa part 1, I just love it. I just love it. I just love the pair of Srivalli and Pushparaj in here. I love it. The way Pushparaj loves Srivalli. I love that. I love it. A mass lo kuda that a mass love which is there, that woman is mine, she is mine. And afterwards, the way it started, you can see that fights and everything on the Bandargah, which we can say the ports and everything of that, itna fight and everything for his sandalwood and everything. Yeah, Khatarnak. And did you see one shot? There was him having that what we can say Indian kind of British kind of that cigar one with the Popoy has that. वो वाला भी था उसके. Pushparaj has been upgraded literally very crazily. And also I have been seen again one scene where there are sandalwoods kept in the circle till very height, इतना height कि उसपे Pushpa, he was like standing full forest, you would see from that height he kept the sandalwood and everything. But this is going to be one of the craziest, literally craziest in here. They have been said that Pushpa is just not a name, it's a brand. ये बोला है उसने. और पुष्पा फ्लावर, wildfire, the upgrade. Oh my god, I'm literally living in a dream right now. Just me imagining myself in the theater watching Pushpa 2 on the December 5th. Can someone please, man? Oh my god, I can't, literally I can't. This movie is just giving. Oh, okay. So many things are there in this movie. Literally so many things are there in this movie. मतलब इतने सारे चीजें यहाँ पे चल रही है. That Fafa party undi, Pushpa party undi at the entry of the what we can say Shekhawat, right? His name is Shekhawat only. Fafa's name in this one. He's what we can say the face of between Shekhawat and our Pushparaj. उन दोनों का with that guns and everything. And he said Pushpa is just not national, he's international now. The dialogues in this one by Allu Arjun sir and is this one. And also at the last ending of Pushpa ऐसे आकर one that was रोल पूरा हार में ऐसा skull का हार था गले में and with the nose ring and everything. That the way he said, oh my god. Each and every clip or scene from this trailer is explaining something and the other. And the BGM वो जो वाला जो आता है ना, with that flute and everything. Oh my god, I'm just living the dream that I should go in watching this on a big screen. I want to watch this movie on a big screen. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए क्योंकि मेरे सिटी में नहीं है. I want to make possible to make sure to go into Pune and watch in PVR or the IMAX. As they have been sent for Dolby, it has been supported. ऐसे last में उन्होंने लिखा भी है. Wait a second, yeah. 3D, 4DX, DBX and ICE. That is there. तो मतलब मेरे को IMAX या PVR में जाके I would get the very blast experience from this. And unfortunately my city doesn't have that, so I need to go to Pune for this one. Then I will be going just for a day. कितना भी थकान हो, I'm ready for that, man. This is worth it. Literally, this is worth it for the story, for everything. As watching the trailer, I'm just waiting for the 5th now, right? So yeah, that is it for today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो लाइक कर देना, नीचे कमेंट करके बताना कि कैसा लगा. और आपको ऐसे और वीडियोस चाहिए वो भी कमेंट करके बता दो. इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दो, नीचे दिए गए वाइट सब्सक्राइब बटन को वो भी क्लिक कर देना. और मेरा इंस्टा आईडी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है, सो प्लीज फॉलो दैट टू. थैंक यू.